Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your iPhone. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first you just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down. Then you click here on general. You come to next here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down. You click here on keyboard. When you just click on keyboard here, you come to next here. So then you go down, you just keep going down here. You come here to slide to type, clicking this sign. Like you see here, this color show for us. That means slide to type enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.